Have you ever had a buyer tell you, I already saw the house online, I don't need to see it in person? Well, what if I told you that could be the reason your home isn't selling faster? Hi, I'm Erica McClain, a local real estate expert with over 25 years of helping sellers move on to their next chapter. Today we're diving into a hot topic, virtual tours versus traditional showings. Are virtual tours helping homes sell faster, or are they secretly slowing things down? Let me tell you a quick story. I had a listing in Jefferson Park that was beautifully staged, priced right, and yes, it had one of those fancy virtual tours. Tons of online traffic, lots of clicks, but barely any in-person showings. Why? Because buyers thought they'd already seen it. They felt like they had walked through the home, even though their only tour was with a mouse and a screen. Once we refocused on traditional showings and encouraged actual walkthroughs, got rid of the virtual tour, guess what? The house sold in under 2 weeks. Here's the problem. Virtual tours can create a false sense of been there, done that. And that's dangerous when you're trying to sell a home. Now, don't get me wrong. Virtual tours can be great tools. They give buyers a sneak peek and help maybe filter out those who truly aren't a match. But let's not pretend they replace the experience of stepping into a home. Traditional showings engage the senses, the natural light, the space, the smell of fresh paint or cookies baking. These are things a screen just can't deliver. And let's be honest, homes don't sell on screen. They sell when buyers emotionally connect in person. The truth, virtual tours are the appetizer, but traditional showings are the main course. If you skip the showing, you're asking a buyer to commit after just sniffing the menu. What sells homes faster? Real physical walkthroughs where buyers fall in love, imagine their lives, and feel the vibe of a space. That's where the offers come from. So while virtual tours can spark curiosity, they should never replace the showing. If you're serious about selling your home faster, focus on getting buyers through the front door, not just onto your listing page. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit the like button and subscribe for more real, no fluff advice from someone who's been in the trenches. And hey, drop a comment below. Have you ever had a virtual tour kill your showing traffic? Let's talk about it. And check out some of my other videos you might find helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll be back for another video.